Hi, this Tuesday tip is going to be on how you can lengthen and strengthen your pelvic floor with awareness. We're going to be doing it with a squat. So go ahead and position your legs about hip distance apart. Looks like I'm going to be goosing myself. I'm getting my middle fingers into my sitz bones. And then let's go ahead and squat and notice what you feel at your fingers there. And as you stand up, notice what you feel. So as you squat, you should feel a lengthening, and as you come up, you should feel the narrowing. So you could add the inhale as you go down, filling your belly and your pelvic floor with your breath, lengthening. Stand up tall, and then draw the pelvic floor up and tight inside. So I hope that helps you with lengthening and strengthening your pelvic floor. Keep checking out Hooked on Pilates for workouts and tips. Thanks a lot.